people. Right, this is a second attempt at doing a video of my so-called, well not so-called, but attempted video of a ride on this. It's the Aprilia that I swapped. Well, let me get on the road. Yeah, it's the Apriliia I got from the swap with the VN900. And tonight, leaving work now, I'm going straight to Withernsea Bike Night, just for an hour or so. See what, might even be cheeky and get some a burger or something. And I'll show you some of these. Look, got another gadget to actually to attach to the just get your head together, not attach, what is it, to add, Jesus Christ, and I'm on the road, to add to the experience, the good old YouTube experience. Come on. Yeah, I did a video the other day, and basically what had happened is I'd not had the microphone plugged in properly, and there was hardly any volume, which weren't happy about. Let's close that. So we've got this little baby going. Let's see what that's like. Testing some of the gear for when I go on the Iron Butt Challenge, the saddle saw. I think that one's going to be a bit too vibrating. New to the GoPros, very new to the GoPro. It's a GoPro Hero 7 which I got off their marketplace, Facebook marketplace. Dead cheap. So see how that goes. And I've got this little gadget to show you. My lovely little bit of kit which enables me to have cruise control. Now you can pick them up quite cheap off usual places, eBay, Amazon, Moti, loads of places, and they're not very expensive, and I quite like it. It's quite a nice bit of kit. It'll come in handy on the big long rides. I'll show you on this, because I'm going to hit the dual carriageway very shortly, and I can actually show you on there what it's like. Let's say I was going to Withernsea Bike Night. Usually a good turnout there on a Thursday. So far, I thought the bike was going to be a bit too big and a bit too heavy for me. After having the seat shaved, not the sheet saved, but the sheet saved. The sheet! Oh, seat shaved. I can touch the floor. So that's a good bonus. So when I go on the good old long bike ride, this will be my sat nav, and that's on a wireless charger, so that's a cracking bit of kit. So I don't need any USBs plugging in anywhere. Right, I'll just show you this now. Right, watch. Push it down. Look at that. Look at that, yeah. Good for a bit of hand resting. I won't do it too much because I want to keep up with traffic. There we go, look. Yeah, baby. Imagine that on a nice long stretch of road. Right. What I'll do is bring you in a little bit when I get a little bit closer. So I'll see you in a bit. There we go. Good old Withernsea. They've probably wasted all the petrol zooming through. Castle Caff. There we go.